Everyone keeps talking about this tiny 6-inch heater, so I bought it, and honestly I wasn't ready for what happened when I turned it on. Welcome to Unbox Heaven. Today I am testing this compact 6-inch Westinghouse ceramic heater. It's cheap, tiny and trending. But is it actually strong enough for winter? Let's unbox it and find out. So it's compact, portable design, instant heat, tip over protection, power indicator and cool touch housing, and also comes with 1-year warranty. And I'm just gonna take this thing out of the box and let's see. Okay, so right out of the box, it's super lightweight. Literally I can hold it with my 2 fingers. The design is super simple and sleek. We also got this user manual. As I told, design is simple, matte black, and the front is mesh. Actually looks really clean. That's how it looks like from the back. And that's the tip over protection. And here is our power button. So these are the features that made it go viral. It's instant ceramic heating and tip over protection and overheat shut off, high efficiency, perfect for small rooms, and also comes with 1-year warranty. And the whole thing is the size of my hand. You can see like it's actually the size of my hand. So let's turn it on and see how it's gonna work. Okay, so I just plugged in the wire and here is our power button. Let's turn it on. Right after turning it on, you see the red indicator light, which means it's powered on, it's turned on. If it's gonna move from its place, like from the flat surface, it's gonna turn off right away. That's how it's gonna work. Also, the good thing about it, the second I turned it on, the heat comes out immediately, and I wasn't expecting this level of warmth from such a tiny heater. For a desk, bedroom corner or small office, this is actually really impressive. Okay, now here is the truth. This will not heat a full room, but for the personal heater, especially when you're working or sitting close, it's perfect. Quiet, strong, and does not feel cheap. Pros and cons. If we talk about the pros and cons, it's instant heat, safe, as I already told you, super compact, affordable, and good for desks, office, small spaces, not for the large room. These are the cons. And only one heat mode. Yeah, only one heat mode. And I also noticed there is very short cable. So yeah, but like overall, like my final verdict, I really like this. Its feature, these are the amazing. And so, is it worth it for the small spaces? Yes, absolutely. And if you want a bigger heater, no. Comment which product you want me to unbox next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.